Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a necklace using this metal pendant. I chose a pendant in the shape of a coin, of a Greek coin, antique coin. And for the necklace I will also use some black nylon cord. As you can see, this will be a short necklace around the neck. To make this necklace, I will only need a few findings and some tools. I will use a bail for the pendant, and for the necklace I will use a lobster claw clasp, some jump rings, and these spring cord ends. And as tools I will use a pair of pliers, these chain nose pliers, a jump ring opener. In case that I want to open the jump rings, I can also use a second pair of pliers. And if I want to cut from the cord, I will use the scissors and a lighter. And now let's begin by measuring the length of the cord. So as I said, this will be a short cord that will just go around the neck, and I chose a piece of cord that is about 34.5 centimeters long. That would be about 13.5 inches long. If you want to make a necklace for men, you can add about 1 or 1.5 inches. That would be about 38 centimeters. And now let's start making the necklace. So I will take the pendant and the bail, and as you can see, the bail has these little teeth here, and I will put the teeth into the orifice of my pendant like this, and I will press on the bail this way so that the teeth remain inside of this hole. This way. And the pendant will look this way. Now let's see the necklace. For the necklace I will take the nylon cord and one of those spring ends, cord ends. I will burn the cord end so that it fits into the spring cord end, and I will put the nylon cord into this cord end this way. I have only pressed it into the middle of the cord end, but if I would pull on the cord end, it would come out. So to prevent the cord from coming out of the cord end, I will take the pliers and press on the end of my spring cord end here. This way. So as you can see, this end here of the spring cord end is pressing into my nylon cord. Now the other end of my spring cord end has this little ring here, and I am going to lift the ring this way so that I can attach the jump ring on this ring here. I will put the pendant on the cord like this, and now I will also attach the second cord end to my cord. This way. Now again I will press on the end of the cord, spring cord end here, this way, and I will grab with the pliers. I will grab the ring and lift this way so that the ring becomes visible like this. And now I will take a jump ring and put it on this ring. I will open the jump ring with the jump ring opener and with the pliers. I'll put the jump ring here on this ring, and I will also put the lobster claw clasp. This way. And now I have attached the lobster claw clasp to the necklace so that it can be opened and closed. And the last step will be to attach the last ring, jump ring, the second jump ring, and close. This way. And now let's see what the closing system of the necklace looks like. So I will attach the ring to the lobster claw clasp, and the necklace is now closed. Now our necklace is ready, and let's see what the finished necklace looks like. So this is the finished necklace. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.